If LDPlayer started lagging, stuttering, or losing FPS right after an update, yeah, that's actually pretty common. Updates can reset settings or conflict with your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer performance issues after an update and get things running smoothly again in 2026. Let's get into it. First, restart your PC. After restarting, don't open any heavy apps. Launch LDPlayer by itself. Post-update issues are often caused by leftover background processes. Updates can reset your settings, so open LDPlayer and click the gear icon to go into settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4 depending on your PC. Avoid maxing it out. For RAM, 4 to 6 gigabytes is the safest range. Too much memory after an update can actually cause lag. Now check the graphics rendering mode. If it's on OpenGL, try DirectX. If it's on DirectX, switch to OpenGL. Updates sometimes break rendering compatibility, so yeah, this step matters. Next, check the frame rate setting. Set it to 60 frames per second. Some updates reset this to unlimited, which can cause stutter and unstable performance. Set resolution to 720p or 900p. Set DPI around 240. New updates can increase default resolution, which hits performance hard, especially on mid-range PCs. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. Updates sometimes enable these automatically, and they're a big reason performance suddenly drops. Finally, check virtualization. Some Windows updates disable it without warning. If virtualization is off, LDPlayer performance drops immediately. And that's it. After these fixes, LDPlayer should run smoothly again, even after a major update. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer update fix guides on the channel. See you next time.